A clue.
Oh. You see another sound note. I mean, clue. Where?
Right there. I'm a sound note.
Oh, our clue must be a sound. Wonder what sound it is. Let's listen. So, our third clue must be the sound. Sounds like we need our notebook. Okay, so our third clue is this sound. Hey, let's draw a sound note to help us remember the sound. A little circle with some lines like this and another little circle. There, a sound note. Okay, that's our third clue. We have all three clues. That means we're ready for our
Thinking chair.
thinking chair. Let's go.